All right, so let's go over how to use the Abbado trading platform. It's very simple to use. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to abbado.com and register for a free account. Once you have logged in on your account, what you want to do is go to the top right section, click your email, and here you want to create a demo account. So the way to create a demo account is click open a demo account. Now on the left side here, you're going to see the name demo as well as account type demo, and then click create. Now right here, the second trading account is our demo account. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and deposit funds into our demo account. So let's go ahead and click deposit. And what we will do is add $10,000. Click submit. And there we go. So now our demo account has $10,000 funded. Now let's go ahead and close this window at the top right. And you want to now switch to your demo account. So on the top right corner here, you'll see where it says your account number and it says USD. Click there. And now you'll be able to change your account to a demo account. There we go. So now we see the demo account on the top right. So let's click demo. So now that we have accessed our demo account, let's go ahead and show you how to set up your chart. So the first thing we want to do is we always want to set our chart to the 5-minute time frame. Now on the top corner of the chart, you'll see T1, M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, etc. Now, what does this mean? M1 means 1-minute chart. M5 means 5-minute chart. And then if we go further right, H1 means a 1-hour chart. And then D1 means a 1-day chart. What do these numbers mean? This means that, for example, if we select a 5-minute chart, each candle will represent 5 minutes worth of market movement. If we select 1-hour chart, each candle, for example, let's see the 1-hour chart, each candle here represents 1 hour of market movement. Now, when we are setting up our chart, we always want to set it at the 5-minute time frame. So let's click M5. There we go. Now, the next step we want to do is we always want to make sure that our chart is as zoomed in as possible. So right here, you can see there's a minus and there's a plus button. So you want to continue to click plus until you are completely zoomed in. And now let's go ahead and add our indicators to the chart. The way we're going to add the indicators is on the top left corner of the platform, you'll see an indicators drop-down menu. So go ahead and click indicators. Then you want to add the two major indicators that we use as part of our strategy. So you're going to go down here to where it says indicator store. Let's click there. Once we have opened the indicator store, what we want to do is under trend, let's go ahead and scroll down all the way until we see the parabolic SAR. Let's click the parabolic SAR and click install. I already have this installed to my chart, but you're going to have to click install. Now the second indicator we want to add is let's go to the oscillators. So the second option here, and let's scroll down and let's find the relative strength index. Click the relative strength index or the RSI and click install. Now let's go back to our trading chart. So let's close this window here and let's go back into the indicators tab. And now we should be able to see, as we can see here under the trend menu, we can see the parabolic SAR is now available. Let's go ahead and add PSAR to our chart. Let's click there. Now, I don't change any settings when it comes to the PSAR, so just click apply. And there we go. Now we can see on our chart that we have the dots, or some people call them stars, above and below our candles. Now, how do we use the PSAR and what is the PSAR? The PSAR indicator is a trend indicator, so it shows us which way the current trend is going. For example, right here, the PSAR reversed, and we can see that when the dots are above, that means that we're in a downtrend. So we can see from here, we came quite a bit down. And now the trend right here reversed from a downtrend into an uptrend, which means the market is now going to go up. So when the dots or stars are below, that means the market is going up. And we can see that right here, that from here where it reversed, we did go up quite a bit. So that's how we use the PSAR indicator. Now let's add the second indicator that we use, which is called the RSI. In order to add the RSI to our chart, what we are going to do is go back to the Indicators tab, go down to Oscillators, and then find Relative Strength Index right here. And let's go ahead and click the RSI. Now, again, I don't change any settings here. I'm just going to go ahead and click Apply. There we go. So now we have the RSI indicator on our chart here, which is this blue line that you can see that's going up and down. Now, how do we use the RSI? The RSI has two levels to it. So if you just hover your mouse, you can see on the right side here, right around here is the 70 mark. Now, when the market is going close or crosses the 70 mark, which is right about here, that means that too much buying has happened. The market has gone up too much. Now, remember, as part of the range bar strategy, what are we looking for? We are always looking for the reversal. So we're always looking for when, if we're going up, when do we start going down? And if we're going down, when do we start to go back up? So a good way to gauge that is if the RSI is getting close to the 70 mark or potentially even crosses the 70 mark above 70, that is a good indication that there might be a market reversal soon. So we are going to start coming down sometime soon. Now we can see this example right here. Over here, the RSI got to about 64, and you can see that's right up here near the peak. And then what did we do? We ended up coming down. So that's a really great example of the RSI getting close to the 70 mark and then having a nice reversal. Now, the second part of the RSI is the 30 level, so which is down here. Now, once you see the RSI get close to or potentially even cross below 30, that means that too much selling has happened and we are now looking for a reversal. So we would be looking for the market to start to go back up again. So in that scenario, we would be looking at a buy trade, a potential long position. So that is how we use the RSI as well as the PSAR indicators as part of our trading strategy.